Lots of bees still left in the tree. And they're
girls a little bit.
They're getting a little less.
That helps keep them from flying, and it will also help the queen from taking off if she's so inclined. I've got my soft bristled bee brush and a bucket, and I'm going to try to get bees in the bucket and then get the ones in the bucket into the hive. So, there's no manual for this. You hear them all clumping into
Holy
the bottom
crap,
there.
and they're falling all over the place.
Hoping the queen's in the middle here somewhere.
Oh, how I wish I had a long lens to show this, because it is something.
There's no way I'll be able to see the queen. Now we're going to dump the ones from the bucket right into the hive. We're going to set the bucket down and our bee brush. We wish that we could get more of them down here. I think that's probably the best we can do right now.
Don't you think you could try brushing them one more time with the bucket?
Yeah, that's maybe a good idea.
Because it looks like there's a lot of them on the other side of the tree. If you could get to the other side. Like over on...
I'm going to walk to the other side.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. You are covered with bees, so I'm going to just back right on up. And they're making all kinds of noise now, so things are a little different in Beeville. Holy crap. I never thought in my lifetime I would see anything like this.
Alright. Slow down. Slow down.
You got a lot more. That was good. Are you going to try to get more? Are you going to try to get more, or are you done?
I'm going to put the cover part way on, but I'm going to leave a nice opening for the stragglers to get in.
Did you just get stung?
Yes. Yep, just got stung.
Where?
In the calf.
Oh.
Whew, okay.
Through your suit.
Now, I'm going to back off slowly. Whew.
All right.
You see where my bee brush ended up?
No. But I'm not coming any closer to look, so...